Welcome to this new series of videos. You'll uncover the hidden geometry at the heart of sacred architecture.
Step by step, we'll follow the traces of the ancient builders, from ancient temples to great cathedrals. Stay with us, because you will never see architecture the same way again.
Before starting this series of videos on sacred geometry, we'd like to share a few words with you. Our videos are produced with the help of artificial intelligence for the characters, the voices, and the visual setup. But don't worry, the content itself is not AI generated, and it's not something you'll easily find floating around on the internet.
All the videos where we'll show you how to draw the different shapes will be based on a simple software, GeoGebra. It's free and available online. Of course, you're free to use any other software, or simply work on paper with pencils, a compass, and a ruler.
The author of these videos is Benjamin Lebeau. He is an architect with a passion for history, drawing, geometry, and more broadly, mathematics. More than 25 years ago, some of his former university professors were fascinated by certain geometric and even archaeological discoveries he had made. He would have loved to continue his research with a PhD, but doors can be hard to open, mindsets hard to shift, and history hard to rewrite. So today, he shares the results of his explorations here in these amateur videos, simply for the joy of it. We have no agenda to push at all costs. We'll be open to your comments, suggestions, feedback, and even your corrections or clarifications.
No ideology, no religion, no politics, and no anti-academicism. We respect the work of historians and the rigor of archaeologists, and our aim is simply to shed some light on certain points as we move forward together.
Thank you for watching this video.
Feel free to subscribe, like, and share.
See you soon for more discoveries on our channel. Sacred Geometry!